at your door. Don't call these bloody knuckles bad luck, call them battle scars. I've been waiting for your light to turn on. Patience and faith in the impossible dream keeps me hanging on. I've been down, down, down for way too long. But if you think that cold shoulder gonna roll me over, baby, you're wrong. I've been down, down, down on my knees. But it's a cold war, baby, you won't get no white flag from me. I've been hurting way deep inside. Internal bleeding, feed my need, and only one thing can satisfy. I've been beating my head against that wall. Cold stone all alone, but even cold stone can fall. I've been down, down, down for way too long. But if you think I can recover from my lover, well then baby, you're wrong. I've been down, down, down on my knees. But it's a cold war, baby, you won't get no white flag from me. No. If waiting is a weapon, I got the magic bullet. Fire with precision in this war of attrition. There ain't nothing to it. No, I've been down, down, down oh, for way too long. No pretenses in the trenches, and I am in for the heart. It's a cold war, baby, you won't get no white flag from me. Said it's a cold war, baby, you won't get no surrender from me. But I never see, calling from the corners of my dreams, the one that's made to fit me just like some perfect rhyme. As I speak these words so simple, so sublime, baby, I love you and I want you. Touching the untouchable, healing with its reach, finding